What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the XC car jump starter. This thing has a light. This has USB Type-C port. You can use this as a power bank if you want to. So if you're at work, you want to use it as a power bank, you can hit the power button right here and show you your percentage. All right, so we are at 70%. Start current is 2000 amps, peak current at 4000 amps. Right here we give the charger to charge it. And I love the fact that it comes with a case, you guys. This will be a good gift. So if you hold down the power button, the lights come on. If you press the power button, you have your little emergency light right there. Press the power button again, the emergency lights go on, or well, blink faster, and then it stays on. So you press the button, the emergency lights have a blink, blink, stop, then blink, blink, stop, press the button again, constant blink, press the button again, stays on, press the button again. So what you need to do to turn it off is hold it, and that's it. All right, so right here it says start engine. So what you have to do is lift this up, and here goes your port. Stick it in, and then there's a light that flashes inside, and then you hook these up to your battery. Okay, you guys, so in the instructions, which is the instructions is so nice, you guys. So in the instructions, it actually tells you about the blinking lights, all right, the working status of the blinking light and stuff like that. So when it blinks like this, it's normal. When it's green, off, green, off, green, off, green. And then I'll post it right there so you can see all the functions of this. All right, everyone, so I am going to do a test for the jump starter. Now, this is why I miss my old white car, you guys. I would do anything to see if something worked. Now, this is between us. My wife said she don't want her car to be used as an experiment, you know, when I was starting this channel. So this is between us. I kind of left her lights on and her car don't start. So we will just say I forgot I left the lights on, and you know, life goes on, right? All right. So for the sake of content and to see if this product worked, we are going to put that on there. Everything is good to go. We are at 70%. I am going to start the car. Hopefully it don't vibrate and fall. So let's go ahead and start the car. Let's see if this works. All right, I hope it works, you guys, because if not, I will need a battery. Right, we are good to go. And that only took up 1%. We was at 70%, now we at 69%. Oh, let me turn the car off. My bad, you guys. I was talking loud. All right, you guys, so I want to get to some major specs for y'all. With this jump starter, you can jump start gas and diesel engine, you guys. Gas and diesel. Both of them have to be 10.0 liters gas, 10.0 liters diesel. Okay, so if you put it together, it will state that it's together, okay? It don't spark. All right, so there you go right there. We are at 69%. We was at 70%. I don't know if that's because of the jump start or it was because it was on. So this is good. I will leave this in her car just in case she needs a jump. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of people that need jumps. So this will be good. If you see somebody like, you know, in the Walmart parking lot and they're stranded, you could say, hey, I could jump you and, you know, something like that. But you guys, I recommend that you get yourselves a jump starter. I think this is the third one I reviewed on this channel, third or fourth. I can't even remember, you guys. I gave my sister my other one. Now I'm looking for another one. I'm going to give the whole family one, you guys. So y'all can do what y'all want to do, be stranded or whatever, but I'm giving everybody one. So we're going to put this back on. Hopefully the car is charged. Maybe I should have left it on so the car battery will charge back up, but if so, I will just put the jumper back on. That will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.